Step into the enchanting realm of one of nature's most delectable treasures with our documentary, The Fascinating World of Figs, Nature's Sweet Gem. This captivating film takes you on a journey to explore the rich history, remarkable biology, and cultural significance of the fig fruit. Discover the origins of the fig tree, dating back thousands of years, and learn how this versatile fruit has played a crucial role in various civilizations throughout history. We delve into the intricate pollination process of figs, which involves an extraordinary partnership with tiny wasps, showcasing the intricate and symbiotic relationship between figs and their pollinators. Explore the diverse varieties of figs, from the luscious black mission to the delicate Adriatic, and witness the art of fig cultivation in different parts of the world. You'll also gain insights into the numerous health benefits and culinary uses of figs, from mouth-watering recipes to their contribution to overall well-being. With breathtaking visuals and expert interviews, The Fascinating World of Figs provides a comprehensive look at these sweet gems of the plant kingdom. Whether you're a food enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply curious about the world around you, this documentary promises to be an enlightening and mouth-watering experience. Don't miss your chance to discover the captivating story of the fig fruit.